What are the different types of bearings and their applications? The world of bearings, understanding different types and their applications. Whether it's the smooth spin of your bicycle wheels or the powerful rotation of a factory machine, bearings play a crucial role in enabling and facilitating motion. These unsung heroes reduce friction and support loads, allowing parts to move efficiently and preventing wear and tear. But with a diverse range of bearing types available, choosing the right one for specific applications is essential. Let's delve into the fascinating world of bearings and explore some key types and their applications. Rolling element bearings. These work using rolling elements like balls or rollers between the inner and outer rings, minimizing friction. Ball bearings, known for their versatility and ability to handle moderate loads, they are commonly found in bicycles, electric motors, and appliances. Roller bearings, designed for heavier loads and higher speeds, they come in various shapes like cylindrical, tapered, and spherical. They are used in gearboxes, construction equipment, and conveyor systems. Plain bearings. These rely on direct contact between the shaft and the bearing material, offering smooth operation at lower speeds. Bushings, simple and inexpensive, they are often made of bronze or plastic and used in low-load applications like door hinges and furniture. Journal bearings, these involve a shaft rotating within a lubricated sleeve, suitable for medium-speed applications like pumps and compressors. Special purpose bearings. These cater to specific needs and operating conditions. Thrust bearings, designed to handle primarily axial loads, acting along the shaft, they are used in car clutches and washing machine agitators. Magnetic bearings, employing magnetic levitation, they offer near frictionless operation at high speeds and are used in high-precision equipment like medical devices and data storage devices. Choosing the right bearing. Selecting the appropriate bearing depends on several factors, including load type and magnitude. Consider the weight and direction of the forces acting on the bearing. Speed and rotation. Bearings differ in their speed capabilities. Environment. Factors like temperature, dust, and moisture can influence bearing selection. Cost and maintenance. Different bearings have varying costs and maintenance requirements. Conclusion. By understanding the types of bearings and their applications, you can make informed decisions when choosing bearings for your specific needs. From the ubiquitous ball bearings in your everyday life to the specialized bearings in critical machinery, these remarkable components ensure smooth operation and keep the world moving.